Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Mac OS Mojave, version 10.14. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the new and improved Quick Look. Quick Look allows you to get a preview or a quick look of any file on your Mac by simply hitting the spacebar. All you need to do is select a file or a folder or anything and just hit the spacebar and you'll get a quick preview. You can also select multiple photos or files or videos. It doesn't matter. Hit the spacebar. You click this little icon right here that has the multiple view. Now you can see everything that you selected. You can resize the window and you can scroll through them one by one by using the arrow keys. Quick Look in Mojave has all those same great features, only it takes it up a notch. For example, let's look at a PDF document. I'm going to hit the spacebar to go into Quick Look. I'm going to click this little marker icon. Now I can mark up this document. If you look here at the top, there's all sorts of options. I can draw on it, I can add text, I can add shapes, I can even add a signature. If this was a formal document you need to sign, I can just add my signature like that. I can share it by clicking here and add it to message. I can airdrop it to myself. To undo all changes, simply hit the revert button. Next, select a photo. Hit the spacebar to go into Quick Look. You can now rotate right inside of Quick Look. You can click the markdown tool. You can draw on it. You can add text. You can add shapes. You can even crop it without ever having to open up Preview. Trim video or audio files right inside of Quick Look. Select a video. Hit the spacebar. You can open QuickTime or you can click this little trim button right here. Select the video, hit the spacebar, it's going to preview that area. When you're done, click done. It's going to ask you, do you want to save this as a new clip? You can save it, or you can cancel it and just revert it back. You can do the same exact thing with the audio files. So check out the new and improved Quick Look in OS Mojave. Select anything on your Mac, hit the spacebar to preview, and use the markup tools or trim tools up top. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.